Your Monday modeling tip is word finder. Sometimes there's words that we want to target or model for our child and we forget where they are, we don't know where they are. So knowing how to use word finder is a great tool to have in your toolbox. So today I'm going to model how to use word finder on 4 different AAC systems. The first one is the Touch Chat app on the iPad, and this is WordPower 60 Basic. The word finder is the same for all the different vocabularies on WordPower. You simply go to the keyboard and press Find Word and say someone outside is cutting grass, and so our kid is really interested in the word grass and we want to model that for them and tell them that yes, they are cutting grass. You simply just type in the word grass and press Find, and it will come up with the sequence for you. So it shows that I need to go to Groups, Nature, and I will find the word grass. So I cancel, go back, go to Groups, and find Nature. And then I will find my word
grass.
And I'm able to then model it for that student. Now I'm going to show you how to use Word Finder on the LAMP app. The vocabulary here is the 84 Words for Life full version. Again, if I would want to be modeling the word grass, in order to model, there are 2 different ways to find the Word Finder. You could go to Spelling and Numbers, and then the purple icon for the word finder, and then again just type in the word grass and press Find, and it will show me that I need to go to the icon Get, Terrain, and then Grass. So I can cancel out, go back, Get, Terrain, and Grass. The other way to use Word Finder on the LAMP app is by going to Menu. If this is unlocked, sometimes you lock it for certain kids if they're using the iPad. But if you're using this as your tool for modeling, it probably isn't locked. And so you can get there a little faster and go to Word Finder. And this keeps you on the home screen as well so that you don't have to go back out of the spelling one. And I will just type the word grass and find, and it gives me the sequence. And I can cancel and then quickly go from my home screen then to the word grass. With this app, the LAMP app, as well as the Touch Chat app, if you try to type in a word to Word Finder, and if that word is not in the vocabulary, I'm going to show you what happens. So say a vase broke in a book that we were reading, and so I wanted to target the word, look at the vase, and broke. If I tried to find vase, you will see that Find is grayed out and it won't let me select it. What that means is that that word is not in this vocabulary set, so you're not going to be able to locate it within there. Okay? All right, now I'm going to model the word finder on the Proloquo app. All right, here I am on the Proloquo app. I'm on the gateway with an 80 grid. In order to find a word, I would simply just go to the icon down here that has the 4 boxes and then hit the magnifying glass that says search above it. You'll be able to see past searches, so you can see where before I was practicing and looked for grass. Today though, if I wanted to find the word tree, I could just put in tree and then hit search. Now, you could either see what the sequence is and then go back and find it yourself, or you can hit the word tree and it is going to highlight how you get through it. And you can see, or you may have trouble on this video, but everything in the screen is grayed out and only the word that's going to lead me to that word tree is visible. So I would go to Things, then it's telling me to go to Nature, and then Tree. So it's an errorless process in getting to that word. And then you could go back and practice it again with the kid and go to Nature and Tree. But that is how you can find a word on Proloquo. Now I'm going to show you how to find a word on Snap plus Core First from Toby Dynavox. I am on a 60 grid here with Thurstat plus core first. In order to find a word here, I'm going to go to the top bar and you'll see the magnifying glass. So that's how you're going to search for a word. And I could type in, we'll stick with tree again and push search. You'll have different options. I'm going to go to the main tree. And just like with Proloquo, only all the symbols are visible, but it's going to highlight the word and guide me through the process. So I'm going to go to all word list. Then it's going to highlight nature. And then it highlights tree for me. So I'm able to easily find that word. So there's your Monday modeling tip for being able to find words that you want to target on the fly. Just use your search icon or word finder. Thanks for watching.